With HEC-QR, R&M addresses the need for high-density IP68 protected harsh environment connectivity and great design. The dust cap of the bulkhead adapter is designed for easy access. To open the dust cap, simply pull on it. Removing the connector dust cap requires a twisting and pulling motion. The shroud of the connector has a key position. When the connector is mounted properly, there is visual and acoustic feedback. Keep the dust caps connected to ensure they stay clean. As an option, you can pull the tethers to prevent tangling of the dust caps. To prevent unwanted disconnection by fauna and flora, it is possible to secure the connector.